Hello and welcome back. So today's video is part 2 of Mazzer Mini the grinder restoration project. If you are just joining me, a couple of weeks ago I bought a grinder from eBay. I think I only paid what, $250 plus $30 for shipping, so around $280. And upon arrived, everything is damaged, the broken hopper, the motor wasn't spinning. So last video I did, so I fixed it. You took me about a couple hours to do it, but I ended up fixing it. Now it's spinning, as you can see, but a little noisy though. Anyway, so today's video, I'm going to start cleaning the inside, as you can see from here, and also clean the outside, and I'm going to replace this is the upper and lower bar. As you can see, they are rust out. I'm going to replace that with the brand new one I got from Amazon. It cost me about 43 bucks, I think. Well, let's take a look. Wow. Look at this one. Look at this compared to the old one. What a difference. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do today. But before start the project, I think I need some coffee. So far I removed this thing right here. This is the temper for the grinder. I just removed it. Very simple. Just unscrew the couple screws here, and also I moved the bottom. So this thing right here, I removed that as well to clean. So next thing is I'm trying to remove the inside, those two bolts there. So I'm going to remove it. I believe that is 4.5 millimeter. I think I got right here 4.5 millimeter. And then also I'm going to remove some point the inside, this whole thing out, so I can clean it properly. So let's start it. So I'm going to start with 4.5 millimeter. By the way, I'm not that good at fixing things. My background in finance. Anyway, so if I can do it, definitely you can do it as well. You know why it's not coming out? I don't know, figure out why it's not coming out. Huh. Hold on. Oh, here I go. There's some kind of sticky tape on it. That's it right here. You just gotta force it. Okay. So now, as you can see from here, just simply go like this. Yeah, just like that. Okay, and then wow, look at this one. Extremely dirty inside. Everything's rusted out. Smells pretty bad as well. So, okay. So next thing I'm gonna clean is this. So, I believe this is an 8 millimeter socket. So, just simply put it in there. We just take it out, and then you can push down a little bit, and we can undo this. just push down the spring. And just come right up like that. And then just simply pop up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Extremely dirty. Get this here. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna clean some more. So now I'm using green patch to start scrubbing down the doser right now. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'll let you know when I'm done with it. Yeah, this thing is extremely dirty. The problem with this, even if I cleaned it well, I can smell this nasty old stale coffee smell. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of it. Anyway, I'll be back. I'm back. It looks so much better than before after I cleaned this. Replaced grinder, the burr with brand new ones. So this is all cleaned up nicely. A lot better than before. If you're looking at the inside, looks much better. And back. And then let's see. This thing looks a lot better overall. So this thing I took it out because since I have no use for it, so I'm gonna remove this. And by the way, this hopper here. So what happened was, I think last video I received from eBay, and not eBay, but from the seller. It's all broken. So what I did was I just cut the top off to make a little, small hopper type. So since I only use one or two serving at a time, so I don't need a big one. So I think that'll work. So now I'm going to put everything back together. So first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one back together here, the doser. Anyway, so hopefully you can see better from here. So from that, I'm going to put this one. For this one, just make sure you see this notch. Hopefully you guys can see it. For that notch going into right there. You see that? Hopefully you guys can see it. Go slide right that slot. Just make sure you gotta press down. There we go. This is a little tricky. So as you can see, that notch going into that slot, so now it runs pretty better. Okay. I need some tools. So in this project, from here, you need to put this screw here. So this is 7mm screw. One of those things. So now this thing is in. And then, what's next? And I have to put actually before the, yes. Here we go. From here, this notch right there, you see that? That one is going into right here. So there we go. And then we need the screws going in. So this is 4.5 millimeter screw. So right here. So this is a little tricky. So I'm going to start with my hand.
Okay, so now as you can see, everything stays, works. Okay, next thing I'm going to put this, I don't know what's that called, I'm going to put this one back here. Goes like this.
Okay. As you can see, everything is all nicely put back together and nice and clean so far. So this time I'm going to put this one. So this one is pain in the butt to remove it though, because I'm going to show you. First we have to remove.
You have to remove the back plate. Okay, we got 2 more on the bottom. Okay, from here.
I'm gonna get the better angle for you guys. This angle. So that one goes right there. Hopefully you can see it. You see that 2 holes right there? So that one has to. So I have to put this washer from the back side, and I have to thread from the other side. Okay. Put this one like that. Put the screw on the top first.
From here, I need to screw in. Okay, so that's all went inside, and so now I'm going to just simply put back together. Let's go back in the clip. Keep it easy like this. 2. We got 2 more screws go to. And the last one. Actually, there's that one foot here.
And then this screw goes to right there. So you got all 5 screws. Okay, so now we are going to replace the birds. I'm just going to remove it, the screws for now. So this is, I mean, comes to maintaining the machine, replacing bird is the easiest. I mean, this is the easiest task. Just line up the hole like this. There you go. It doesn't have to be super tight, but it should be tight because you don't want to misstrip it. So this is the top burr compared to this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bottom. Okay, from here this angle we got 1, 2, 3 holes. Just line it up and screw back in. Since this thing is moved, so what I like to do is I like to put a screw inside screw drive so it doesn't move. Yep.
Make sure I line it up.
So now looks like this, and then 3 springs here going in here, 1, 2, and 3, and then put this one back in. Yep. So this one you have to go counterclockwise. Anyway, so I think I'm going to calibrate it next time. What else I need to do? Okay, I need. So again, so this one I just simply from the this is my old broken one. I'm just going to cut the top out. I use a saw, so I don't have to worry about it. You know, I don't have to worry about getting a new one. Something like that. And then just like this cut. Let's plug it in, shall we? And it works, but one bad thing is this is pretty loud, okay? I don't know how to fix that. I'm trying to lubricate the bearing area, but I guess that's all I can do at the moment. So this is all pretty much all done. So for my next video, I'm going to calibrate and I'm going to grind some beans and see what happens, okay? I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please join my channel and see you guys next time.